Hey there, welcome to you in my YouTube channel. In this tutorials I am going to show you how to hide last collection in mobile but keep it visible in desktop. So if you have started your online business with Shopify and you wanted to design your Shopify online store by yourself without any coding skill, without hiring any developer, and you want to make your Shopify online store fully responsive and mobile friendly, then you can continue this video. So let's get started. Here is my Shopify online store and you can see that I have added 5 collection in here and it looks good in desktop, but we wanted to remove the last one in mobile when someone visit from mobile. So why we should remove it, let me show you. If someone visit this collection or home page from mobile, they will find this. Here is the big white space for this one because the 5 items does not place perfectly in mobile version or in mobile device, and that's why we want to remove or hide last one when someone visit from mobile, and but we want to make it visible in desktop. Okay, to do this, first we have to go to our Shopify admin panel. So I'm going to log in my Shopify admin panel. Here is my Shopify admin panel. Then click online store, then click on this 3 dot icon, then click edit code. Now search base and you'll find base.css file in here. Click on this file. Now scroll down, go to the bottom of this file, then make a little bit space in here and just simply copy this code. I will share this code snippet link in the video description so that you can easily copy this code and you can use it on your store. Okay, I have copied this code. Now paste it in here and okay, now click on the save. Asset save. Now go to the home page, reload. You can see that the 5 collection is visible in here in desktop version, and now we are going to check it from mobile. Click on here, scroll down. Wow, it's worked perfectly. We can see that the last one is invisible and there is no any white space that make our store layout unprofessional for mobile user. So I hope you understand everything very clearly and you can do it by yourself. So thank you for your time to watch this video. If you think this video is helpful for you, then click on the like button and subscribe to my channel. And if you need any service support relevant Shopify, WordPress or SEO, then you can contact with me. Have a nice day. Bye bye.